Hey guys, it's Luna. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing Alphate 8 Airborne. I think I said that really bad. Also, sorry, I know I was supposed to do a meeting video with me and my fiance now, but we kind of forgot because we only had 2 hours to spend with each other. So we've got an elimination round set up. I'm using my Audi R8 in this colour. And let's just get into it. Well, there's beginning stuff in the background this morning, so let's go. The aim of the game is to not be the last person in the car. Let me know what your favourite game is. Comment below what your favourite game is. Go on there. Because that's not enough for me to go getting into stuff. I mean, I would change the camera angle, but here's the thing. If I do. I mean, it's not for me to bang into stuff on the game. Now let me show you what else I've got on this game. Right, I obviously turn the sound down before, or I turned, or I've kept on is the elimination effects. So I've got dogs. Sorry. What was I going to say? Let's end this video here. Let's end this video here because he's texting me now. Be sure to like, subscribe and comment what you want to see in the next video.